Hello and welcome to Brain Chow. In today's video, we will be comparing Indian Railways to German rail system. But before we do that, make sure you click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you will be notified when we release our future videos. And it is completely free to do so. That being said, let's start the comparison. Number 1. Fastest train. Germany's third generation intercity express have the capacity to run at 330 km per hour. But German tracks currently only allow speeds up to 300 km per hour, and that too on limited routes. These trains run at 320 km when they reach France. So, we are going to consider maximum speed of German trains in Germany during commercial service as only 300 km per hour. This is still much better than India's fastest train Gatimaan Express, which runs at top speed of 160 km per hour due to current infrastructure situation. Germany wins the first point. Number 2. Future speed. There are some new lines under construction or being planned in Germany. But these lines will also have maximum speed of 300 km per hour. So it doesn't seem that in near future trains will cross 300 km per hour in the country. On the other hand, India will have bullet trains running at 320 km per hour by the year 2022. This point goes to India. Number 3. Scale of operations. Indian Railways has longer rail network, more employees, more trains and carries more passengers. This is not surprising since India has larger population and bigger landmass. India takes the lead. Score is now 2-1. Number 4. Density of rail network. India is more than 9 times larger than Germany by area, but still it has only 63% bigger rail network. This means German rail network is denser than India. Number 5. Passenger comfort. Trains are overcrowded in India and they are not as clean as their German counterparts. We know that we can't blame Indian Railways for these problems as overpopulation is the root cause. But still, traveling by German trains is way better experience, and so we have to give this point to Germany. Number 6. Electrification. Germany has managed to electrify 48% of its rail route length. Latest data for Indian Railway is out, and according to it, 49% of India's rail routes are electrified. As you can see, India is slightly ahead, but the difference is too small to say India won. Instead, we are going to give 1 point each to both countries. Number 7. Luxury trains. The Venice Simplon Orient Express, which is one of the most popular luxury trains in the world, passes through Germany. India too has one of the best, which is called Maharaja's Express. On top of that, India has more number of luxury trains. So, we are giving this one to India. Final score is India 4, Germany 4. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching Brain Chow.